Alright, this is the operational side of the unit. On the side we have a handle. The handle is used to crank the material up through the unit. As he cranks now, the material can be grabbed and pulled out onto the tabletop. To make a cut, use the blue handle, swing it all the way across, the cut will be made. You can then crank the next piece through to begin, bring it out. Once it's out, pull, and make your cut again. Okay. We also have a safety switch. This will not allow the cutter to operate. In order for it to operate, the safety switch must be held down. Go back in the other direction. If I release, at any point, the cutter will stop. Inside the unit, we have a nip control switch. By flipping it down, it opens the nips. By flipping it up, it closes the nips.
Hands.
Make sure not to have your hands inside the roller area when maneuvering that switch. On the top here, we have the air chambers and the connection for you. On the bottom of the unit is where you need to connect the compressed air. We recommend running between 60 and 70 psi. Go ahead and close that. Again, we'll demonstrate this being used. The operator is cranking the material up, grabs the material, pulls it out onto your table surface, and then the cut is made after you have your paper moved in place. We have flow controls on each unit, on each of the cylinders. By opening these up, you can increase the flow of air to operate faster if need be. I also want to show the cutter head, please. On the cutter is a compression cutter, and by turning the knob, by tightening the knob, you increase the amount of cutting pressure. By unscrewing, you release it. In the center of the unit, we also have an interior deflector, which holds the material down against the strap. When you're loading, we recommend that you unscrew one side. It could be either side. You want to do the side that the cutter head is not on. Pull it away so that you can reach in. Normally this would be open when you're loading. So now you can pull your paper up. I'll have to figure that out.
Well, that would be the taper.
Right. Okay. Let's close that back up. Here is creating an edge on an angle so that when we load, it becomes easier to load. Now he'll slide the material onto the core shaft from the outside, and it'll come to the stop, which is adjustable for your different widths. Well, on the end we have a piece of UHMW that you just flip up to help keep everything even. Let's pass the material from underneath behind the interior deflector. This deflector can be removed to make it easier if necessary. Pulling the material up. Now you'll probably have 2 people doing this, so it'll be a little easier. Pass the material over the roller. That's probably. Close your nips. Lower your top. Now you can do a trim cut to get rid of that leading edge. Using the hand crank, crank it forward. Material comes up, grab the material, and you're ready to run. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us at area code 847-259-1675.